खलीफा के हम हैं खलीफा हमारा, वो दिल है हमारा आका हमारा, हमारा हमारा खलीफा हमारा, वो दिल है हमारा आका हमारा, वो दिल है हमारा आका हमारा.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to This Week with Huzoor. Today we are honoured to present highlights of a virtual mulaqat where Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V graciously met with the National Amila members from Trinidad and Tobago last weekend.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yes, please be seated.
Last Sunday, Amla members from Trinidad and Tobago were blessed to have a virtual mulaqat with Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasrihil Aziz. The Amla members were gathered in the national headquarters of the Ahmadi Muslim community of Trinidad and Tobago in the town of Couva. The meeting commenced with dua, after which all the attendees had the opportunity to speak to Hazrat Khalifatul Masih. Speaking to the Secretary Talim, Huzoor outlined the principal objective of the Jamaat Talim department.
There is a difference between Talim department of the Jamaat and the auxiliary organizations. Here, in the Jamaat, Talim department's job is to keep the data of all the students going to school, university, and keep the record of those students, give them proper guidance, form a committee for their counseling and guidance, so that Jamaat students can have better opportunity to select their subjects. They are properly guided. This is the work of the Talim.
Yes.
You have nothing to do with the Jamaat literatures. So you just make a distinction between Talim department of the Jamaat and Tarbiyat department of the Jamaat. Now, as a Tarbiyat secretary, you can oversee the work of all the secretary Tarbiyats in various Jamaats and see to it that they are working properly or not. What is their Tarbiyat plan?
Addressing the Secretary Mal, Huzoor mentioned the importance of instilling the spiritual importance of financial sacrifice.
All the members, they should pay their chanda according to the prescribed rate. And they should know the importance of the chanda. And they should pay chanda to win the love of Allah Ta'ala. That should be the main purpose of paying chanda. Otherwise, I'm not worried about that how shall we run our affairs. Allah Ta'ala will help us. But the thing is, we should put this important concept into the mind of the MDs, those who are earning, that they should pay chanda to win the love of Allah. And by giving sacrifice, paying chanda, Allah Ta'ala will increase their income as well and also their spiritual level.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, beloved Huzoor.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Naweed Ishaq. I'm also a Ghanaian missionary serving in Tobago.
Serving in Tobago. There is only 65,000 people living in Tobago. So you should try to convert the whole habitation into Ahmadiyat. Bring into the fold of Ahmadiyat.
Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum, beloved Huzoor.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Asaf Hussain. I am Secretary for Media and Audiovisual.
Then, do we make any program for MTA?
Huzoor, we have sent a few over the years, but with the intervening COVID.
You should produce at least one program every month.
One program.
A documentary or something like that. And if it is up to the mark, it can be shown on the MTA television. Right?
Indeed, Huzoor.
Okay, next.
Assalamu alaikum, beloved Huzoor.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Murad Khan from the headquarters Jamaat.
Acha, mashallah. Are you married?
Yes, Huzoor.
Do you have children?
One son, baby boy.
Okay. Give him good training so that he become a good and strong MD.
Yes, Huzoor.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. Next.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, our dear beloved Huzoor.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. How are you?
Fine, thank you. My name is Rafiqul Ujir. I'm an observer today.
Acha, mashallah. Who is your son? Acha, yeah, mashallah.
Riyad is my son as well.
Son and father seems to be of the same age. Okay, assalamu alaikum.
As the meeting concluded, Huzoor Anwar advised the Amla members about the importance of their responsibilities.
You should all follow your rules and regulations prescribed in your rules and regulation book and run your departments according to the instructions given in the book of the rules and regulation. And try to become more active than before. And there should be some significant change in your efforts, in your work. So it is the duty of the Amir Sahib to oversee all these departments and check to it that all departments are being run properly by the secretaries and the respective secretaries in various jamaats as well. So Allah Ta'ala help you, Allah Ta'ala bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Those were highlights from a virtual mulaqat that took place last weekend. We now end with our final segment, the Friday Sermon Summary.
In today's Friday Sermon, Huzoor, may Allah be his helper, related several incidents from the life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Huzoor, may Allah be his helper, highlighted the exemplary treatment of prisoners of war during the Battle of Badr.
جنگ بدر کے حوالے سے ہم دیکھ چکے ہیں کہ کس طرح آپ نے قیدیوں کو سہولتیں مہیا فرمائیں. قیدی خود کہتے ہیں کہ حضرت صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کی ہدایت کے مطابق کہ قیدیوں سے بہتر سلوک کرو. صحابہ اپنی خوراک سے بہتر خوراک ہمیں دیا کرتے تھے. پھر ہم نے یہ بھی دیکھا کہ جب ان قیدیوں کی رہائی کا معاملہ آیا تو بڑی آسان شرائط پر ان کو رہا کر دیا. بعض کا فدیہ تو صرف اتنا تھا کہ جن کو لکھنا پڑھنا آتا ہے وہ مسلمانوں کو لکھنا پڑھنا سکھا دیں. یہ سب اس لیے تھا کہ آپ کی کسی سے ذاتی دشمنی نہیں تھی، یعنی آپ کے دل میں ان کے لیے کسی ذاتی دشمنی کے جذبات نہیں تھے، بلکہ اللہ تعالیٰ کے دین کو مٹانے والوں کے خلاف جنگ تھی. جو اللہ تعالیٰ کے دین کو مٹانا چاہتے تھے ان کے خلاف جنگ تھی. بعض لوگ دشمن کی طرف سے اپنی مجبوریوں کی وجہ سے شامل ہوتے تھے. ایسی بھی کئی مثالیں ہیں. نہیں چاہتے تھے کوئی مسلمانوں سے لڑیں لیکن مجبوری تھی. ان کو آپ نے بہت سی سہولتیں مہیا فرمائیں. بعد میں ان میں سے بہت سے مسلمان بھی ہو گئے.
Towards the end of his sermon, Huzoor, may Allah be his helper, repeated his call for prayers for the people of Palestine.
فلسطینیوں کے لیے دعائیں کرتے رہیں. جنگ بندی ختم ہونے کے بعد پھر ان پر بلا تفریق بمباری ہوگی اور پھر معصوم شہید ہوں گے. کتنا ظلم ہوگا اللہ بہتر جانتا ہے. ان کے مستقبل کے بارے میں بڑی طاقتوں کے ارادے جو ہیں بڑے خطرناک ہیں. اس لیے بہت دعاؤں کی ضرورت ہے ان کے لیے. اللہ تعالیٰ رحم فرمائے.